Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so the update runs cleanly. First, make sure your Microsoft 365 subscription is active and you're signed in. This authorizes downloads. Once done, save your work and close all Office apps to prevent file locks. Now open any Office application, navigate to File, choose Account, and locate Update options. Click it to reveal commands. This is the first actionable step that triggers the installer and checks for the latest build before moving to download. You'll proceed to fetch and apply files. Click Update now to start the check. The app will download the newest build if available. While downloading, watch progress indicators and any prompts. Some updates require elevated permissions, so allow admin prompts when asked. Once downloaded, the installer applies changes. Expect brief pauses and occasional restart warnings. If you're on a metered or slow connection, make sure to allow large downloads first, because interrupted downloads cause partial installs and extra troubleshooting steps later. Finish by restarting your device to let Office finalize file updates and register components. This often resolves lingering issues. After reboot, open an Office app and confirm the build under File account so you know the update succeeded. If something went wrong, updates failed, features missing, or crashes, run Settings app's Microsoft 365 Modify, then try Quick Repair. If that doesn't fix it, run Online Repair. That sequence repairs corrupted files and usually restores normal operation without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.